finally get to relax.
Yep.
Got here at 1:30.
1:30. Bo was in the water by 3.
But had to unpack like groceries and our stuff, clothes and everything. Harley was with us.
Oh, she's the big baby.
She's just maintenance.
Yeah.
But yeah, our boat is behind this one right here. Behind it. But that was a whole thing because the ramp is really tight. It's like over there.
Zoe backed up the boat.
Barely. But now I'm finally gonna go take a dip. It's gonna feel like a bath.
Yeah, it's 7:30.
Good morning from Islamorada. This is our view from the room. So today is a little hazy, I think because of the Saharan dust that's still out there. But overall, it's still pretty nice out there. It's still warm. I don't think it's gonna rain. It's just hazy. So we're gonna get out there. It's a little late. It's about 11:30 right now, which is typically late for us to get out there, but it's the first day and I feel like it was the one time that we could actually sleep in. Yesterday was exhausting. Getting here, putting the boat in the water, getting everything set up and unloaded into the kitchen and all of that. So, you know, I was like, let's just sleep in for the first day and enjoy. So we woke up at like 9:30, took care of this one. Where is she? Harley, hi. She's with us, so I had to take her out, get breakfast going, all of that. So we just kind of like eased into the morning today, which usually isn't the case. I feel like when we're down here, we just want to like go. So I'm gonna do a little room tour real quick. Out here, I'll go out there in a little bit, but it's like a balcony. There's a ton of stairs. But in here, we've got a full kitchen. We've got a sitting area here. And then this couch pulls out into a queen size bed for 2. The full kitchen with a nice view. We've got a lot of prep space, stove, microwave, sink, and a dishwasher, which is great. Little area to sit. We've got Harley. And then over here, we've got 1 bedroom with 2 twins. It's perfect for guests to come. We've got a guest bathroom, shower, toilet, everything. And then here is our master. It's a little bit of a mess right now, but this is it. We've got full closet space, which is awesome. A little vanity with a dresser. Huge bed. It's not even a king, like it's gotta be bigger. Harley again, she's so happy to be here. And then we've got our master bathroom that has like a little hot tub, showers here, and that's pretty much it. And downstairs, there's like a little utility closet. There's laundry in there, washer, dryer, and we basically keep like boat stuff and like fishing poles, that kind of thing in there. Perfect little bungalow, tons of space for what you need. I'm gonna get the cooler set up and ready to go. Josh is getting ice right now. So we're gonna get out on the water pretty soon. Come with me to get this cooler situated. We have our big Yeti, and pretty much, once it goes down into the boat, like we don't move it again for the rest of the week that we're here. We kind of just like add to it throughout the week because it's just such a pain with all these stairs and everything and getting it into the boat itself. It's very heavy. So I'm gonna load it up and get it ready to go, and then Josh is gonna come with ice, and then that's pretty much it for the cooler, and we're gonna leave it in the boat for the remainder of the trip. Okay, let's fill up this cooler. We love high noons, but I don't love the price of high noons. So we recently discovered vodka sodas from Kirkland at Costco, and let me tell you, they taste exactly the same as high noons. So I will not be buying high noons anymore. I will be buying Kirkland vodka sodas from here on out. They are so cheap for, not dirt cheap, but like cheaper compared to like high noon standards. High noon, you're buying a pack of like 12 at Costco for like 30 bucks. I'm getting an 18 pack here for like 25. Here's some math for you. But they taste exactly the same. I put these in the freezer yesterday and I kind of forgot about them because the fridge was taking forever to cool down. So some of them are still kind of like frozen. Yeah, there's nothing, it's all frozen. So hopefully it will thaw out, and I hope I didn't ruin it. Okay, this one fell a bit. Harley's in a craze right now. And Josh coming up with the ice. Here is my my swimsuit of the day. I went with a one piece today just because the sun's not like completely blasting out there today, so the tan line shouldn't be too bad. I designed this for Hawaii and I just love the cutout. It's very comfortable. It's not very like confining either, which I feel like a lot of one pieces are, and that's why people hate them so much. But yeah, it's super comfy. Got adjustable straps, nice little opening here, and it's just cute and comfy and perfect for our first day out here in the Keys. Where are we going?
To the Sandbar. I'm gonna go ahead for a little bit. Right
Still
down.
hazy out. Baby's ready to go. At the whistle stop. The only place to get food after 10 o'clock. Taylor waiting for her soup. This is hands down the best pizza you will ever have in your life.
For sure, hands down. Literally 1 out of 10. That's an 11.
Yes, best dive bar pizza.
It is.
Show the undercarriage. Amazing.
Nicely crisp. What do you rate it?
10 out of 10. It's the best pizza.
So fire. Good old whistle stop.
I love a white top pizza.
Hey. Pizza cheers. Hell yeah.
Like, why would you go anywhere else?
Exactly.
Made it to Islamorada Sandbar. And they added a cute little Panthers flag to the flag over here, the flagpole. So got a photo before the water keeps rising, and we're gonna head back now to the boat and have some drinks and snacks. Yay! I can't believe there's times we come here and you could actually walk this, like, knees are out of the water. We're going to the lighthouse. Woo!